the vowel E makes short A sound and long E sound. Now look at the short A sound. In this example, the vowel E makes the short vowel A sound. A, pain. A, days. A, pencil. A, eraser. A, bale. A, braid. A, egg. A, lemon. A, spade. A, bed. A, shade. A, Jane. A, bench. A, mail. Let's look at the long E sound. In this example, the vowel E makes the long vowel E sound. E, bead. E, bee. E, feed. E, tea. Lead. Seal. Key. Tree. Tree. Peach. Baby. Bean. Monkey. Money. Thank you for watching. Remember, learning can be fun and easy. See you in next video with short and long vowel sounds of the vowel I.